friends, welcome to Creating with Jovi and to the 14th day of 14 days of Valentine's Day cards. I have loved creating these videos, creating these cards. I love Valentine's Day. I love the pinks and the reds and just the I don't know, the sweetness of it, right? This Valentine's Day is going to be a little bit different for me because I won't be able to indulge in chocolates and goodies like that, but that's okay. I will indulge in sharing my creative processes and maybe do something special for myself since I can't have any goodies, but maybe I can go get a pedicure or something, right? I just have to switch it up, and that is a-okay. So I was thinking, I have some really cute 6x6 scrapbook paper that I got at the thrift store. I got a little pack of it, and I was so thrilled to find it because I actually didn't have that much Valentine's stuff, so this is totally fun. So I thought I'd start off by layering a few layers of this paper. And then, you guys know, I have been using some of the pieces that Leanna of It's a Deal sent me for a pocket letter swap that we did last year for Valentine's Day. And I've gotten such a kick out of using the goodies that she sent me. So today I thought as a centerpiece, I would use another piece of that. So, sorry it took me a minute to get that out. I don't know why, but it did. So here we go. We're going to just go ahead and get this glued on. I guess I could have cut the other one to shape also and then gotten the glue on at the same time to be more efficient, but I didn't do that, so here we are. You know what? I forgot to ink, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, and then I thought we would use a layer of this because it's super pretty. All right, very nice. You know what? Since we got the dauber handy, we'll just go ahead and go around this with a little bit of that pink ink. All right, and now we'll go ahead and get some glue on here. Okay, here we go. So this is the piece that I got from Leanna from It's a Deal, and it's so cute. You know what? I wonder if these, oh my gosh, these slide out. That's so adorable. Oh my gosh. I love that. I love that so much. I could put a little note on the back of that. Yeah, I like that idea. Okay, so the question is now, do we center this like that? Or do we offset it like this or like this and then put something else up here? I don't know. I kind of like it centered. And then we could put maybe some gems on the corners or something like that. What do you guys think of that? I think it's good. I am going to just use a little bit of the leftover ink that's on my dauber and go around the envelope, give it a little pop. There we go. Yeah, I like doing it there. I don't think it needs to be complicated. So we'll go ahead and get some glue on the back of that. You know, it's funny. I could, no we can't. Okay, I thought we could close it, and we could if it was embellished different, but I love the way that it is embellished, so we're gonna keep it as is. I love it so much. It's so cute. I have some really pink, like look at these, they're almost like fluorescent pink. We're gonna use some of those on there. This keeps coming off of this right here, sorry. Keeps coming off of this right here. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and use that as well. We'll put 4 of these in each, well, 1 in each corner. And then we'll put some other ones here and there. How does that sound? we'll put these on the dark pink paper. And then we'll just pick a spot for this light pink one. How about like right here at the top of the envelope? And then I'll grab like some more flat backs or something additional that we might want to put on here. Of course, we always have stickles. Now I am looking for my tweezers. And you know what? You know, remember my really cool tweezers? I can't find them. I just need to look around though. I had cleaned up for the holidays and basically like tucked everything away. And you know, now of course I can't find half of what I'm looking for. That's okay though. I will. I'm gonna have to pack it up anyway, so I probably shouldn't worry about finding it. It's gonna all end up in boxes. So I guess speaking of that, I'll need to put together a bin that I can keep out, and so that I have some things to play with, right? Oh, is this a different shade? Oh, that's a different shade. I need one more of the dark ones. Here we go. I didn't realize there was 2 different shades in there. Okay, I like those. I think that looks cute. You know, I'm looking at this and I just don't think it needs anything else. I like it the way it is. So let me give you a little close-up. Now, of course, a little bit of that glue that you see around the edge, that dries clear, so we're not going to worry about that. It's cute though, right? Thank you, Leanna, for this beautiful envelope. I love it so much. I appreciate you guys coming along for the ride. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed seeing all the creativity. I forgot to mention that we have collaborators. Please be sure to check out all of the collaborators so that you don't miss any Valentine inspiration, crafty inspiration. Oh, I'm so sorry I forgot to mention at the beginning of the video. At least I think I did. So I appreciate you. And if you made anything that you want to share, just tag me, or you can share it in my Facebook group, Creating with Jovi, Journals and Crafts. And I appreciate you so much. Thanks for watching. See you soon.